Cooler Master has introduced the GD160 ARGB Gaming Desk. It is the first electronic height adjustable desk with built-in RGB lighting. It is a fairly large desk at 160 cm long and 75 cm deep, with a height range of 65 to 130 cm. It is powered by dual motors, and yes, the RGB is addressable. The box comes in two parts, one for the tabletop and one for the legs, which the ARGB controllers and motors are packed together as well. You do get the user manual, instructions and tools needed, but it is best if you have a cordless drill handy. Now, in terms of assembly, while we were intimidated by how complex the instructions were with all the lines and whatnot, it is actually not that hard. We actually managed to put everything together in under 30 minutes. The satisfaction of knowing we built this desk is just awesome. I do recommend having another person to help, as some of the parts can get quite heavy. Now, the Cooler Master desk itself is huge and it feels solid and polished once assembled. With so much desk space, you can literally fit an ATX case and two 32-inch monitors. I love the extra space mainly because I could have my notebook sprawled on the table while I worked without having to rearrange stuff around. The controls for the height adjustment are easy. There are 3 memory setting profiles that you can customize, along with up and down keys for manual adjustment. Now here you will also find the RGB lighting button to toggle between lighting profiles. For those who are wondering how strong the motors are, I had my wife sit on the tabletop while it's holding 2 monitors and 1 fully built PC. The table could lift everything up with no issue. Just make sure that there aren't any objects that could obstruct the table's movements, and all cables have extra length to accommodate the adjustment. The top rear of the desk has a recessed hole to stuff all of your cables in, like monitor, keyboard and mouse cables. But I kinda wish Cooler Master didn't position it there because it kinda blocks the monitor from being placed further back. Now, for cable management, the desk has a channel underneath to help you hide your cables. Depending on how good your cable management skills are, you won't have any cables dangling under the desk. Now let's talk about the RGB. It can easily light up the entire room, which gives the room a nice ambience as it bounces off the walls. If the RGB is not something you want, you can always turn it off by using the toggle switch. By connecting the desk to a PC, you can control the lighting even further using the Master Plus software. You can even sync the lighting to match your peripherals as well. Now, final verdict, priced at 1,199 ringgit, I would say this is a nice investment, not just for gamers, but also anyone who wants to spruce up their home office. The overall look and feel of the table, along with the RGB lighting and the option to have this as either a sitting or standing desk, makes it a perfect choice for literally anyone. That is all for this video on the Cooler Master GD160 ARGB Gaming Desk. My name is Terry, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.